welcome to or back to my channel. I'm Isabel, and today I decided I'm going to film an updated, oh wait, turn my music off. I decided that today I'm going to film an updated dorm room tour because a lot of people have been commenting on my original move-in video and on my more recent videos saying that my room's different and they would like to see an updated room tour. So since I'm moving out literally tomorrow suddenly because I've been kicked out of my dorm because of coronavirus, I decided that now would be a good time to film this before I pack everything up and move out of my beloved dorm. So yeah, I think I'll just get straight into it and show you guys everything. I'm gonna miss this dorm a lot. I never mentioned this, but my roommate actually transferred back home, and so I have my own room now, and I miss my roommate so much, but she's come to visit, and I'm going to visit her soon, and I miss her a lot, but it has been nice having my own room. It's different, and I rearranged the whole thing since moving in. So yeah, it's really nice and I'm gonna miss it a lot, but it's time to go back home, I guess. So anyways, without further ado, I'm just gonna start showing you guys my room and the way that I organized it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So right when you walk into my dorm, this is what you see. And on the left, I have two closets, which now that I live here alone, I use both closets. So I'll open these up. I have so much space, it's crazy. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna go back to living at home where I don't have much storage, because this is more closet space than I've had in my entire lifetime. So I'm really gonna miss this. But in the first closet, I just keep some shoes on the top shelf. These are like my boots and heels and stuff, and nicer shoes. And then on the right, I just used this little shelving unit to hold the rest of my shoes. And then on the left, I have all of my jackets, which living in Chicago, I obviously need a lot of jackets, so these are the ones that I have. And then down here, I just keep my suitcases. I have two suitcases here. And then on the left, I have crates that have more shoes that I wear less often, and also some purses that I haven't really used, so I don't really need to bring any of this back. And then there's my docs and my gym bag. So that's the first closet. And then in this closet, I keep, up here I have my socks and tights in this basket. And then in here I have hats and gloves, and I'm psycho, and so I label everything. On this side I have like purses and extra accessories and stuff. And then that space up there is just kind of extra food and things. And then in this section I keep all of my dresses. And you'd think I wouldn't use these a lot, but I wear dresses like all the time. I usually wear dresses with tights and stuff to class, even though it's still cold. But I've been wearing those a lot. And then over here I just have my belts, my purse that I use every day, and my keys and stuff. And then down here, these are all my sweaters. And then in this one I have all my sweatshirts. So I wear these a lot. And that's the whole second closet. And then over here, this is where I keep all of my food and things. And so in this basket, I have like my snacks and stuff, and I have lots of nuts. If you know me, you know that that's literally all I eat. And so I have my trail mix, almonds. This is my matcha powder that I use in my smoothies, and then here's my smoothie materials that I just keep in this box so I can carry it to the kitchen. And then down here, just more snacks, literally all nuts, nuts and seeds and rice cakes. And then I have oats in case I ever need that for breakfast. But I actually order these Power Up nuts from Amazon because I used to get them all the time at Costco when I lived at home, but now I just order them in bulk from Amazon, and those are a lifesaver because I always have like 2 packs in my backpack and in my purse, and whenever I need them I have a snack. And then down here is just vitamins and aspirin, medicine, stuff like that. Down here on this shelf I keep all my like containers, and then up here I keep all my tea. I drink a lot of tea, and so I have all kinds of tea back here. This is my pre-workout, which I recently ordered off Amazon, and then apple cider vinegar. And then up here I have my tea kettle and all my silverware and straws, frother, more tea. And then over here I have my speaker and microwave, and then my fridge, which is usually pretty depressing, but pretty much all I buy, since I do have dining hall, all I really buy is like fruit for breakfast if I don't have time to make a smoothie, and then I always have like hummus and carrots and falafel usually to snack on. Okay, and then this is like my favorite section over here. I have a bunch of paintings that my sister did. I have some pictures. Why does it keep going out of focus? I have some pictures over here. I'll show a little overview. My record player. Now I have 2 dressers since obviously my roommate's gone, so once again I have just an immense amount of storage. The first drawer I keep all my pajamas, and then in here I have all my sweatpants and like biker shorts, stuff like that. In this drawer I have all my pants. I have a lot of patterned pants. That's like all I wear here. This drawer has all my skirts and also my jeans. And then this drawer is like some of my nicer going out shirts. And then this top drawer, underwear, bras and stuff. And I actually just got these organizers off of Amazon, I believe. Yeah, Amazon. And these have been super helpful. It allows me to store a lot more. And then I also got this off of Amazon. This is where I keep all my sports bras. And this is all my workout stuff. All the clothes I wear to work out in. And then in here I have a bunch of t-shirts. I definitely did not need to bring this many t-shirts. I rarely ever touch this drawer. So next year or whenever I move back to Chicago, I will not be bringing this many t-shirts. I can donate all of these because I'm usually wearing my nicer clothes or like workout clothes. Here I have like nicer sweaters and like crop sweaters, t-shirts that I wear more often. And then the last drawer is the shirts that I wear most often. These are like all my cute shirts. And I just roll everything because I think it takes up less space and it's easier to see what I'm looking at. And then over here, this is what I'm like sad about leaving. I love this section of my room because, so I used my roommate's bed and made it into like a couch. So this is kind of like my little chill couch area. I have these curtain lights that I got from Barnes & Noble actually, and then all the pillows are from TJ Maxx, I believe. Or not TJ Maxx, Marshall's. And then up here is where I sleep. And I believe I got the comforter from Marshall's as well, but I'm gonna miss that bed, it's so comfy. And then this here is like what I use to keep like the book I'm reading and my phone in, portable charger. And I got this off of Amazon as well. It just like tucks in to my bed It's called like Bed Caddy if you search that. And then this is the window with the beautiful Monroe lighting. I have really good lighting in my dorm, you can see. I'm gonna miss those windows too. And then on this side, I actually took the 2 bed stands and I put them together and made a little TV stand. I thought that was pretty clever. And then this is just my TV, obviously. And then if we come over here, I combined me and my old roommate's desks into one big desk. So on here, this is where I keep my cameras and camera stuff for my photography class. This light is actually from Costco, and it's really cool. It has like a charger, and then you can change the light settings. So yeah, I really like that light. My roommate gave me that. I don't know where she got it. But then in these drawers, this is where I keep all my like extra camera gear, chargers, stuff like that. And over here, this is where I keep all of my like pens and my glasses, chargers. It's my label maker. This is my old bullet journal. I finished that one and I'm currently using that one. But yeah, this is stuff that I just like need for school. Section I think is really cute. This is where I keep all my jewelry. So I hang all my necklaces up here, and then down here I just have a little box of perfumes. And over here I have like, these are like my bigger earrings. And then these are all my like nicer earrings. These are studs, my rings, and yeah, that's all my jewelry. And then these drawers is where I keep all of my makeup. These are just from IKEA. The top drawer is where I keep all my face makeup. I recently organized this, so it's really clean. But this is all my face makeup, highlighters, blush, concealer, all my powders, and these are all foundation. And then these are my bronzers. And then in this drawer is all my eye stuff. So over here is all like falsies. And then these are my mascaras, eyelash curler, brow gel, and then these are all eyeliners and brow products. And then this drawer is all my lip products. So on this side I have lipsticks, and then here is more lipsticks. These are like my nicer ones. And then this is chapstick and gloss. And then here's all my brushes. And then back there is just like travel bags that I'll probably use to pack up the stuff because I'm not gonna bring these drawers with me. And then down here I have all my palettes. So these are all eyeshadow palettes. I mainly just use the Morphe palette, and then my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. Those are like the main ones that I use. And then the last drawer is kind of random, but it's just like my hair products, hair curler, hair straightener, barrettes, and these are extra bags to travel with my jewelry, and then nail polish. I can real quick show you my bathroom. Here's my mirror. My roommate actually left me that. I'll show my bathroom. And that's everything. I know that was a really quick video, but there has been a lot of comments for an updated room tour, so I thought I would just quickly show you guys what it looks like now before I take it all apart. It sucks because I did just redo this when I came back in January. It's crazy that it's already March, but it's only been 3 months of this setup, and time to take it down because coronavirus is not letting me stay here, and my school actually kicked everyone out of the dorms. Probably for the best, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna move all my shit to a U-Haul now, And yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna be back home, I guess. I don't really know how long, but so I'm not really sure what kind of videos I'll be making, but I do plan on still making videos and posting every Monday, because I decided I'm gonna post every Monday now to hold myself accountable. So yeah, just keep looking out for videos. I don't know what they're gonna be now that I'm not at school. But yeah, comment below what you want to see, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.